concept is not very old. AI has been in existence for a very long time. If you look at the history of AI machine learning, it started. I think the pivoting point was the Turing test when they wanted to check out whether the response coming back, from a machine was very close to the way a human would respond back. It was around 2017, when a couple of folks from Google started working on, GANs, which is Generative Adversarial Networks, which is the foundation layer for LLM. So they first released a model called BERT. And, there was a very interesting paper in 2017 that was published by the group. And I think the aha moment for GenAI happened when, ChatGPT released, when OpenAI released its ChatGPT platform. That was the first time one could see an application which you could easily use as an end user or as a consumer. Traditionally, the challenge with AI had been it was a black box. People, it was difficult for people to understand what was driving those supervised, unsupervised learning models. And secondly, they needed a bunch of data scientists and developers to kind of, push it into applications or use cases. With ChatGPT, with the launch of ChatGPT, people started seeing a movement where where they could do work on GenAI on their own. They didn't need a bunch of developers or data scientists to help them embed a piece of code and then try to look at what the output was. So I think that was probably the pivoting moment for generative AI.